hi guys, today I have a nerf gun and it's a really good one because, yeah, it's a good one. So, this is how you put it together on the back. It shows you how to do it, and today we will be unboxing it. You shoot for where you would get the trigger. And this is, I don't really know, but it's a part of the gun, so you have to attach this onto the front. I think that's what it, on the box, since you've got to attach it to the front. So this is my nerf gun, and later on when I put it together I might do a video showing all the parts put together and the actual gun. Maybe shoot something or something like that. Yeah, so we've unboxed this nerf gun right here. I got it today anyway, so yeah. Bye guys, and hope you enjoyed this video, because I'm going to do another video, and make sure you watch that later. I don't know when or when I finished it, so yeah. Bye guys, see you in an hour or so.